What type of cell is primarily responsible for photosynthesis? The right option is Charlie. Mesophyll cells are primarily responsible for photosynthesis. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of cell? The right option is Charlie. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of cell. What is the main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? The right option is beta, protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes which are involved in protein synthesis. Which phase of mitosis involves the chromosomes aligning in the center of cell? The right option is beta, metaphase. During metaphase, the chromosomes align in the center of cell. What is the primary pigment involved in photosynthesis? The right option is alpha. Chlorophyll is involved in photosynthesis. Which structure is responsible for genetic variation in meiosis? The right option is alpha, homologous recombination. Which biological macromolecule serves as the main source of energy for cells? The right option is beta, carbohydrates. Which hormone regulates blood sugar level? The right option is alpha, insulin regulates blood sugar level. What is the main purpose of the human circulatory system? The right option is beta, to transport nutrients and oxygen. Which type of RNA carries the genetic information from DNA to ribosomes? The right option is Charlie, messenger RNA. What is the primary structural component of the cell membrane? The right option is beta, phospholipids. Which process converts glucose into pyruvate, releasing energy? The right option is alpha, glycolysis converts glucose into pyruvate. In which organ does the majority of nutrient absorption occur? The right option is beta, small intestine. Majority of nutrient absorption occurs in small intestine. Which cellular process involves the splitting of the cytoplasm to form two daughter cells? The right option is Charlie. Cytokinesis involves the splitting of the cytoplasm to form two daughter cells. What term describes the maintenance of a stable internal environment in an organism? The right option is alpha, homeostasis. Which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for detoxification? The right option is beta. Liver is involved in detoxification. Which type of cell division results in four genetically unique daughter cells? The right option is beta, meiosis. What structure in plant cells is responsible for storing water and maintaining cell pressure? The right option is Charlie. Central vacuole is responsible for storing water and maintaining cell pressure. What is the main function of the ribosome? The main function of ribosome is protein synthesis, so the right option is beta. Which enzyme is responsible for breaking down starches into sugars? The right option is alpha. Amylase is responsible for breaking down starches into sugars and it is present in saliva. What is the genetic material of a virus? Comment the right answer. Which organelle is involved in the production of ATP? The right option is Charlie. Mitochondria. It is also known as the powerhouse of cell. What is the main purpose of the human excretory system? From the name, it is evident that the purpose of human excretory system is to remove waste. So the right option is beta. Which process involves the movement of water molecules across a semi-permeable membrane? The right option is beta, osmosis. Osmosis is the process in which water molecules moves across a semi-permeable membrane. Which type of biomolecule include enzymes? The right option is beta, proteins. What is the main function of chloroplast in plant cells? The right option is Charlie, photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are involved in photosynthesis. Which hormone is responsible for regulating the sleep-wake cycle? The right option is alpha, melatonin, which is secreted by the pineal gland. What is the primary component of cell wall in plant cell? The primary component of cell wall in plant cell is cellulose, whereas animal cells do not contain cell wall. Which process involves the conversion of nitrogen gas into ammonia? The right option is Charlie, nitrogen fixation. What is the main role of the Golgi apparatus in the cell? The right option is beta, protein modification and sorting. Which structure in the human respiratory system is responsible for gas exchange? The right option is Charlie, alveoli. What is the term for the movement of ions across a membrane against their concentration gradient? The right option is Charlie, active transport. It requires energy. Which molecule is primary carrier of genetic information in cells? The right option is beta, DNA. DNA is the primary carrier of genetic information in cells. What is the primary function of lysosomes in the cell? The right option is Charlie, waste breakdown and removal. Which process involves the uptake of liquid particles into a cell by engulfing them in a vesicle? The right option is beta. Pinocytosis. Pinocytosis involves the uptake of liquid particles into a cell by engulfing them in a vesicle.